Hey all, welcome to my channel. It's called Chill with Sabby. Today the video is about Eruption and the series is from Sky Show and it has a special features as these are the basic Hot Wheel cars which debut in 2018 till present. So I have a purplish, pink and black combination and it's made in Malaysia. Base is metal and it represents as a flying car. As it has a cool feature, it comes with movable wings. That's a cool part of this car. I really like the feature of this car where they move together and it looks like sometimes something like a small moth or bird or flying jet plane, but having wings in a car, that makes this car more cool and unique. And the color is metal flake color with white and pink stripes and has a Hot Wheel logo on both the sides and have an Eruption logo on both the sides too. Window is in silver gray color. Let me check how does it roll in racetrack. Let's check while the wings. That's really cool. I like it. What do you think about this car? They roll very smooth. It's a cool looking flying car. I like it. Wow. Cool. So what do you think about this video? So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.